So how do you
Right.
encourage people to step out even when they feel like, I don't know, they people start talking themselves in circles, right?
Yes, 100%. We talk ourselves out of the life that we really desire. And most of the time, what I say is, how much are you making at your current job? How much do you want to make? Do you feel that you have the ability to go out and make a little bit of extra money on the side? So if you think that you can, then you can also duplicate that. You can multiply that and scale that. I'm from Louisiana. I'm in Dallas, Texas area now, but in Louisiana, it's very slow. It's a slower pace, a slower life. A lot of people aren't making a lot of money. And I'll get a lot of people who are on Social Security. They have a fixed income. And a lot of times they're like, hey, if I make a certain amount of money, they'll take my Social Security. And I'll say, hey, are you making at least $1,500 a month? No, my Social Security is like 1,100. So I say, hey, do you think you can make more than $1,100 if you step out and take a little bit of action and invest it into yourself? And they're like, yes, but they're still scared because they have that consistent income coming in. Even though it's not the quality of life that they desire, they still would prefer to kind of stay in their shell, in their comfort zone, and live below their means. And I see that a lot of times people will make sense of the life that they're in instead of going after the life that they desire. Most of the time I try my best to talk to them and I'm like, hey, I've been through where you are. I've came from, pretty much nothing. So I had to learn from the bottom as well. It's kind of cliche to say, but if I can do it, anybody can do it.